Hello friends, today's topic, last 3 years, Asian Paints underperforming. What next? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is financial education of the society. Large number of Dr. Bharath Chandra graduates and our channel members are having Asian Paints in their portfolio. And last 3 years or so, Asian Paint is not performing well. So all of them will be in confusion whether to continue or not. And my suggestion, please go through the whole video. The last 2 to 3 years, there is one famous stock which has been consolidating. Many people wanted to know some reasons for the consolidation and underperformance of Asian Paints. As of now, Asian Paints share price is at the same level as in May 2021. So although price has gone to 3,550 and fallen till around 2,600 during this period, the appreciation for an investor has been negligible in the last 3 years. The last 3 years, Nifty 50 index is up by 47% in total compared to total 20% returns for Asian Paints. So in this video, we are discussing some reasons for the dullness in Asian Paints share. Asian Paints return for different periods. For an investor, 1 year return 6%, 3 year return 7% per annum, 5 year returns 15% per annum, 10 year returns 20% per annum, and if you take it for a longer period like 24 years, then the returns could be in the range of around 27% per annum. Asian Paints graph last 3 years, 2,940 long back, and now again 2,980. Reasons for the dullness in Asian Paints share. Number one, lower than expected growth in business. Although Asian Paints has been growing its business gradually, the growth is lower than expected and lower than the historical average, hence the valuation has been falling. Asian Paints quarterly financials. Total revenue October-December 2022 8,637 crores. October-December 2023 9,103, an appreciation of 5%. Net profit has gone up sufficiently well. October-December 2022 1,097 crores and October-December 2023 1,475 crores, 34% appreciation. Now Asian Paints last 5 quarters financials. October-December 2022 total revenue 8,637 crores, net profit 1,097 crores. January-March 2023 total revenue 8,787 crores, net profit 1,258 crores. April-June 2023 total revenue 9,182 crores, net profit 1,575 crores. July-September 2023 total revenue 8,479 crores, net profit 1,232 crores, and the last quarter October-December 2023 total revenue 9,103 crores, net profit 1,475 crores. That means the total revenue and net profit is going up, however it is below the analyst's expectation. Asian Paints sales and profit growth. 3 years sales growth 20%, net profit growth 15%. 5 years sales growth 15% per annum, net profit growth 15% per annum. 10 years sales growth 13% per annum, net profit growth 14% per annum. The second reason why Asian Paint is not going up is threat of competition from Grasim and JSW Paint. Asian Paints has been the market leader in the paint sector for several decades. It has an approximate market of 53% in the Indian paint sector. Its closest rivals are Berger Paint and Consigner only. Due to the good performance of the paint sector, many companies have decided to enter the sector. The biggest company which might provide strong competition to the existing companies is Grasim Industries. Grasim Industries will be starting operations in the next 3 to 4 months. The brand name they will use for the paint business is Birla Opus. Grasim Industries has announced that it will offer a full range of high quality products in the decorative paint segment. Grasim Industries is part of the Aditya Birla Group, which is one of the largest business groups in India. Hence, they have the capacity to invest large amounts of money to build and expand their business. It had committed an investment of rupees 10,000 crores towards setting up the paints business. The paints will be produced at the company's manufacturing plants in Haryana, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, and West Bengal. Aditya Birla Group chairman has said that Grasim aims to be the second largest paints company in a few years, beating Berger Paints. It hopes to take advantage of its brand name to grow its business quickly. Apart from Grasim, other companies such as JSW Paints, Pidilite Industries, JK Cement, MRF are competing in the paint sector. Although the competition in the sector will become intense, experts believe that it will not be easy for the new companies to gain significant market share. Experts are of the opinion that new companies may struggle for 5 to 6 years to establish their brand name and the dealers network. All the major companies in the paint sector, including Berger Paint and Kansai Nerolac, have done poorly in the last 3 years. Here is the stock performance of paint companies. Asian Paints 1 year returns 6%, 3 year returns 7% per annum, 5 year returns 15% per annum. Berger Paints 1 year returns 19% per annum, 3 year returns minus 3% per annum, 5 year returns 17% per annum. Kansai Nerolac 1 year returns 21%, 3 year returns minus 5% per annum, 5 year returns 1% per annum. The third reason why Asian Paint is not going up is higher valuations have reduced. The average PE ratio for the last 3 years is around 84. During 2021 and 22, PE ratio was in the range of 90 to 100. Since 2023, due to the above pessimism, due to slow growth and likely competition, PE ratio has fallen to around 51. So, as of now, at least compared to average of 84, Asian Paint is trading at much lower valuation. When the business is dull, investors tend to be more pessimistic and don't buy too much, and hence the valuations are low. On the other hand, when you see certain PSUs now, the prices and valuations are high purely because of the expectation of great performance of its business. Asian Paints target current price rupees 2,980. Brokerage company Nuoma says rating buy, target price after results 3,505. Motilal Oswal says rating neutral, target price after results 3,100. Nirmal Bank Brokerage Company rating accumulate, target price after results 3,290. Morgan Stanley rating underweight, target price after results 2,600. JP Morgan rating neutral, target price after results 3,305. CLSA rating reduced, target price after results 3,250. Now coming to Jeffries Brokerage Company rating underperform, target price after results 2,500. Citi rating sell, target price after results 2,640. HSBC rating buy, target price after results 4,020. Goldman Sachs rating neutral, target price after results 3,300. Macquarie rating outperform, target price after results 4,000. So analysts are mixed about Asian Paint's short-term performance. Some analysts are expecting it to underperform and some more are positive about the stock. As of now, analysts are quite confident that Asian Paints will be able to face the competition. In fact, many companies have attempted to enter the paints business in the past, but they have not been successful in gaining significant market share in spite of aggressive advertising. But still, Asian Paints and Berger Paints may need to put some extra efforts to ensure that their business continues to work well. End of the video, here is the question. Are you finding such research-based videos useful? Means we have been releasing a lot of research-based videos, and are you finding it useful? If yes, please type in the comment section so that we know that you are interested in such content. If you are not the member of this particular channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.